Hi guys, welcome to back and remote desktop from Windows 11 after update 24h2 update is not working RDP. So how to resolve? So first method guys, click to start enable and disable remote desktop. So type control panel on Windows search box to click open control panel, then view by category, select network and internet, again network and internet. Okay, and then click to ethernet and property, click on IP version 4 and enter the DNS triple 8.8.8.8 and secondary 8.8.4.4 and then OK, apply. This is first method to check DNS. Okay, then click to start. Second, now enable and disable the RDP. Okay, then click to system. Okay, then find out remote desk. Okay, so if it is off, so you can enable. Okay, this is your PC name. This is for the given the access who is able to access, but this is if not you don't add anyone, so you can allow every system to this system. Okay, so if this is on, so you can enable and disable and re-enable. Okay, this is the then next, disable your Windows firewall. Click to start and type control panel, view by category and system, Windows Defender firewall, on and off Windows firewall defender and turn off. Okay, and then apply and okay. Then reconfigure, otherwise reset the Windows credentials. So click to start and type credential manager, and who is remove anything it is showing here RDP and right click to remove. Okay, then next click to start check authenticate method. So run, type sysdm dot cpl and then click on OK, then click to advance. Okay, then setting, select the best performance, apply OK, then last system recovery, this is, then click to remote, and if this is not checked, to check this one. Okay, and then apply and then OK. Then guys, next method, so this is SFC scanner. So how to run, this is command, I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. then second, then third, then last. So guys, how to run chkdsk? Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as the administrator. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Type chkdsk space c column. C means your C drive, and space slash f space slash c, and then hit enter, and then click to yes. So guys, if you repair some other drive like DEF, so you can after that restart your system, then properly deep scanning, like start this one, okay, fix C drive. After that your system will be restart. Welcome screen.